Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Assess Chapter 1 ML1 Home Loans. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development and many more online courses. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. I can do all online courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Okay. First we will select this title of assignment and we will increase the font size of this title for a proper view in our video. So highlighted this title. Okay, Exp25 Assess Chapter 1 ML1 Home Loans. Under this project description to get idea about your project. So moving on instructions, select this complete instruction and increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. So moving on question number 1. Question number 1 is that start. Okay, highlighted this question first, then we will read this. Okay, start assess, open the downloaded assess file name Exp25 assess chapter 1 ML1 home loans is ACCDB grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download assess file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. Now I am going to opening my assess file which I have downloaded from Pearson IT Lab dashboard portal. Opening this file. Okay, cross this. Moving on, next question is question number 2. In question number 2, open the agents table in datasheet view and add the following records letting assess assign the agent ID number. Basically in this question, we will open our agent table in design datasheet view first. We will go to assess file, double click on agent table will be open. So we will go to the home tab, in the view group click on view button and click on datasheet view. Okay, so our table is open in datasheet view. So we will letting assess assign the agent ID numbers. Okay, add the following record: first name column, last name column and title. So we will have to add the first record of first name column. We will copy this record and we will add this record in the first name column. So we will have to add the last name column record is record. We will copy this record. Okay, so we will add the title record is broker. We will copy this record and add this here. So second record of first name column Keith. Okay, second record of first name column. So second record of last name column is Martin. We will copy and simply paste here. Okay, for adding record, title is agent. So the USA Chan is the first name column record. Third record of first name column is USA Chan. Okay, so the third record of last name column is Zhang. This is the third record of last name column Zhang. So the title is agent. Okay, the fourth record of first name column is Steven. This is the fourth record of first name column Steven. Simply copy this record and we will have to add the fourth record of first name column is Steven. So the last name column fourth record is here. Okay, we will copy this record and we will have to add the fourth record of last name column. So the title is agent in training. Agent in training is the title of this fourth title of title column. So the fifth record of first name column is Rajesh. We will copy this record and we will have to add the first name column of fifth record is Rajesh. So the fifth record of last name column is Khanna. Okay, we will copy this record. We will add the fifth record of last name column. So the title is that agent in training. Agent in training. So moving on, next record. Sixth record of first name column is Joanne. Okay, Joanne, and the sixth record of last name column is Rosario. Rosario. Okay, Rosario. So the title of president is the title. President is the sixth title. President. Okay, presenter. So you can see here I have done this question so well. Moving on, next question of this assignment. I have done 15 points question right now. So moving on, question number 3 is question number 3 have 12 points. So simply we will save this and moving on, next question is question number 3. Sort the agents table by the last name field is ascending order. You can see on my laptop screen this question is 12 point. Okay, we will sort the agent table by the last name field is ascending order. Agent table in the last name field, simply click on the last name field in the agents table, go to the home tab in the sort and filter group, click on ascending order button. Okay, last name field will be ascending order right now. So moving on, next question is question number 4. Question number 4 has 18 points. Apply a selection filter so that everyone with a title other than agent in training display. Save the changes to the table design and close the agents table. The first point of this question is that apply a selection filter so that everyone with a title other than agent in training display. Okay. Apply a selection filter. Okay. In the title, we will go to the home tab, the sort and filter group, click on selection button. Okay, do not contain agent in training, or we will click on does not equal agent in training. Okay, we will click on do not does equal in training. So this is good. Moving on, next point, you can see here I have intersection right now. Please, if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment and complete course for you with A+ grade. Contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. So go to the home tab. In the view tab, click on view button, click on design view. Save the changes to the table design and close the agent table. Simply right click on this, click on save, and right click on this and click on close this table, agent table. So moving on, question number 5, you can see I have done 4 questions of this assignment in my video. Total question is 7. I have done 80% of assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses on MATLAB Pearson, Cengage, Tap, MC Royal, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. I am handling many student courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing Economics, MyLab Math, Macroeconomics, C++, Java, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will provide you A+ grade in this complete course. I will do your all assignments project. I will do your all simulation training, simulation exam. midterm exam and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.